We're going to finish off section 8.4 by talking about our division problems. Our rule is still the same. If we have an even number of negative signs, we're going to have a positive quotient or positive result. If we have an odd number of negative signs, right, then we are going to have a negative quotient or negative answer. Right? So as we're looking at this one, division can take different shapes and different forms. We can write it out. We can do long division. We can write it as fractions. So you could see it kind of approached a few different ways. We just want to think about these rules. Okay. So 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. We have one negative sign out front. So our answer stays negative 7. Negative 35 divided by negative 7. Well, 35 divided by 7 is 5. We have two negative signs. Right? 2 is an even number, so we get a positive result. 0 divided by negative 2. 0 divided by anything is always 0. Right? No negative sign needed for our final answer. And then this last one, negative 4 divided by 0. Right? We could also write this as negative 4 divided by 0 if we write it out horizontally. Right? Or using long division notation, 0 goes outside and negative 4 goes inside. Right? Thinking back to hopefully at some point as you've been working through a math class in your previously, we should know or we should remember, or even if we don't remember, kind of make it a point now to say to ourselves that 0 cannot be the divisor. Right? We are never allowed to have 0 in the bottom of a fraction. Right? We can't divide by 0, and we can't divide 0 into this. Right? 0 into negative 4, that doesn't make any sense. So if we have 0 as a divisor, right? If we have it as a bottom number, our second number, our number outside for our long division, right? Here is the one time that we're not going to get a numerical answer. Right? We say that our answer is undefined. Right? So we're going to write here, right? Just a reminder, we cannot divide by 0. Right? So again, hopefully this statement looks familiar. If not, you definitely want to think about it as you're going through these problems. Right? You cannot have 0 as a divisor. We cannot divide by 0. Everything else that we see, well, we can use our nice even and odd rule. Right? We're just not allowed to divide by 0.